Hi, what's up guys? And I got another package like I promised. And so yeah, this is the Savannah Bananas jersey I customized. And so I know this will not be on sale. It's for myself. And I'm trying to wear it on the Christmas parade in December, as long as it's not raining or too cold outside. So I just got it. And I just came back from Manchester, so we'll have to go back. So here we go. And this is the one I've seen on the preview. It was on my committee post. So you guys recognize the Savannah Bananas jersey. And you know, number 33 is my favorite number. You know, think of Kareem and Scottie Pippen back in the day. Yep. And I think I got stung by a bee just a few minutes ago. I don't know. And I tried to step on the bee, and it was a wasp, and it got away. I think I got very close to be stung on my neck. It's not even funny. I hate when they do this on the jersey. They put this thing on it, it's sticky there, but I'm trying to get it off. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why they did that. Okay. Ah, that stuff keeps falling off there. There we go. I love it. I mean, the stitching is great too. The stitching's got really good quality though. It looks a little small, but I haven't tried it on yet. It should be good. And this is an extra large jersey. I don't know what that was. Scooter Man. I don't know why the kids are yelling out there. I'm not sure what's going on, but hopefully nothing's bad out there. Yep, so if anybody never heard of the Savannah Bananas, you know, they're like the one, they're playing in, they're like the Harlem Globetrotters. And so if anybody doesn't know what this logo is, it's, I think it's like the company, is what it's supposed to be. And always all in. Yep. And this is what they wore in all those baseball games, and they play against like party animals and yes, I just like Savannah Bananas. They're really great and they're talented, and they invite the legends and all that stuff too. Like if they're playing Atlanta, they bring the legend Atlanta Braves players to pitch or just bat. They've done it for Chipper Jones. They've done it for a lot of players, and Jeff Francoeur and all of them. So I've been trying to get this forever, and I paid I think I paid $20 for it, so around there. It's great. It says Scooter Man. Kinda hope it fits me. Yeah, I want to get this. Yep. Savannah Bananas from DHgate. And check out the stitching. This one's good quality stitching there. So I did that for myself. Scooter Man. I'm happy to get this jersey. So I know this could be my last jersey of the year, and about that Randy Moss jersey, I think I'm about selling that one too, because when I tried it on, it's kind of like I had to take my glass off to put it on. The neck part's pretty tight, and it's like I could barely slowly take it off or put it back on. And I'm thinking about selling that Randy Moss jersey. I don't know, but I probably will. But I'm gonna keep this one though. So like I said, if I order a jersey, and you know I have to break even, or I can get a little more cash out of it, and I know some jerseys I just don't like it. And also just the logo of the Savannah Bananas right there. Really cool. So I will put the link to the description of this jersey, and you can customize it anything you want. And I'll see you guys on the next video. So thank you so much for watching.